Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to new lesson. Today we will learn lesson 25 or Dai Niju Gokka. This is the last lesson of JLPT N5 course. If you learn from lesson 1 to lesson 25 thoroughly and properly, it is definitely you will clear JLPT N5 exam in first chance, and second thing, it is also enhance your knowledge in grammar, kanji and vocabulary. Let's start today's class. In this lesson, we will learn plain past form ra, verb te form ye adjective kutte and na adjective, noun demo. Read the vocabulary: kangaemas, chukimas, ryugaku shimasu, torimasu, inaka, taishikan, gurupu, chansu, oku, moshi, tara, ikura, temo, tenkin, koto, ganbarimasu, obento. Grammar, bunpo. In this lesson, we will learn plain past form ra. If. It is a conditional form, if condition, when before ra it will come plain past form, maybe verb, adjective, maybe noun. Understood? Come to the sentence. Okane ga attara kamera o kaimasu. Jikan ga nakattara terebi o mimasen. Yasu kattara pasoko no kaitai desu. Ame ga futtara dekakemasen. Atta ra, nakatta ra, yasu kattara, yasui e adjective, yasu katta ra, ame ga furimasu, ame ga futtara. In first sentence, okane ga attara kamera o kaimasu. If I have money, I will buy a camera. Jikan ga nakattara terebi o mimasen. If I don't have time, I don't watch the TV. Yasu kattara pasoko no kaitai desu. If it will be cheap, I will buy a computer. Ame ga futtara dekakemasen. If it will rain, I don't go outside. So, what we understood? If plain past form ra, it is conditional form is if condition. If something will happen, then we do or don't do. This way. Is that clear? Pause the video and make 2 or 3 sentences with this grammar form. Which meaning is even if. It is just opposite of plain past form ra. If it is happen, I will do this or that. But in this conditional grammar form, verb take te form, ye adjective kutte, na adjective na will omit add de, noun take de, mo. Meaning verb temo, ye adjective kuttemo, na adjective demo, noun demo. Look at the sentence. Ame ga futtemo sentaku shimasu. Taka kuttemo kono kamera o kaimasu. Nichio bidemo hatarakimasu. Renshu shittemo joju ni narimasen. Ame ga futtemo, even if it is rain, I will wash the clothes. Taka kuttemo kono kamera o kaimasu. Takai costly, even if it is costly, I will buy this camera. Nichiobi demo, nichiobi it is a noun, so it takes demo. Nichiobi demo hatarakimasu. Even if it is Sunday, I do work. Here, renshu shitte mo joju ni narimasen. Even if I practice, I can't be good at. Nankai renshu shitte mo joju ni narimasen ne. Even if I am practiced lot of time, still also I am not been good at. We learn two conditional form in this lesson. One is ra, that it takes plain past form in verb, adjective, na adjective and noun. And second one we learn mo, where verb take te form, adjective kutte, na adjective and noun take they after them. In ra, the condition is if. In mo condition, it is even if. Understood? Pause the video and write 2 or 3 sentences with using this grammar form. Renshu. 1番、雨が降ったら行きません。時間がなかったら映画を見ません。安かったらあの店で買います。いい天気だったら散歩します。if condition。2番、いくら考えてもわかりません。お金がなくても毎日楽しいです。高くてもこの家を買いたいです。この家が買いたいです。both particles correct。便利でもカードを使いません。This is even if condition. Now, exercise. Here I have given one example sentence. Please, accordingly you do all those. Look at the example sentence. Amega furimasu change to futtara dekakemasen. Amega futtara dekakemasen. Furimasu change to futtara. We learn in this lesson, ra condition when comes, it is a if condition and it takes plain past form. Futtara. Similarly, from question number 1 to question number 5, please do it. Pause the video, do it and then check with the answer. It is mentioned over here only. 1番、毎日日本語を練習します。練習したら上手になります。毎日日本語を練習したら上手になります。練習します change to 練習した。plain past form. Next 2番、バスが来ませんらタクシーで行きましょう。来ません plain past form is 来なかった。バスが来なかったらタクシーで行きましょう。3番、もし高いです。高いです。past form is 高かったです。plain past form is 高かった。This will omit. So, もし高かったらこの辞書を買いません。Next 4番、いい天気です。天気 it is a noun. So, 天気だった it is in plain past form. So, いい天気だったら散歩します。Next 5番、水曜日は無理。無理 is na adjective. 無理です change to 無理だった in plain past form. So, 水曜日は無理だったら木曜日にレポートを出してください。Understood? Hope all of you done correctly. More part. Please pause the video and fill the sentence. Here I have not given any example sentence, only give 2 words. Yasui desu, kaimasen. Make with conditional form using mo. Pause the video and do it. For you, I can do only question number 1. Yasukutte mo kaimasen. Even if it is cheap, I don't purchase. Done. Check with the answer. Ichiban yasui desu kaimasen. Yasukutte mo kaimasen. 2番高いです。ドイツの車が欲しいです。高くてもドイツの車が欲しいです。3番病気です。病院へ行きません。病気でも病院へ行きません。4番嫌いです。食べます。嫌いでも食べます。5番便利です。パソコンを買いません。便利でもパソコンを買いません。In question number 1, it is E adjective, so change to kutte, mo. In second question, it is takai, it is also E adjective, so takakutte, mo. In third question, sanban, byoki, it is a noun, so byoki, de and mo. In yonban, it is kirai, na adjective, de, mo. In goban, it is bendi, bendi also na adjective, so bendi, de, then mo. When it comes to verb, verbs change to te form. Hope all of you done correctly. Next, kanji time. Meaning of this kanji, return, kunyomi khaeru, onyomi ki. Khaeru, return to home or country. Kikoku, return to country. Meaning of this kanji, eat, kunyomi taberu, onyomi soku. Taberu, to eat, sokuji, meal. Meaning of this kanji, drink, kunyomi nomu, onyomi in. Nomu, to drink, nomi mono, beverage. Meaning of this kanji, see, look or view. Kunyomi miru, miseru, onyomi ken. Miru, to see, miseru, to show. As you know, there is a separate kanji lesson. Please follow that for detailed kanji and all kanjis of N5. This is the last lesson of JLPT N5 course. If you learn from lesson 1 to lesson 25 properly and thoroughly, definitely you will get benefit in grammar portion, how to make sentence and how to develop your spoken ability. Along with it, you also get kanji knowledge. For kanji, I will recommend to you, please go through the separate kanji video which will give you more benefit. My dear friends, if you think these lessons help you more, just share with your friends so that they can get benefit from these lessons. Let's meet in N4 course. There we will learn more grammar, more kanji and more sentence pattern. Till that time, take care, stay healthy, stay safely. Sayonara, goodbye.